Hi, my name is Dave Zappizzotti with True Health and Wellness. Thanks for coming to check out our website today. At True Health and Wellness, we show you why some of the most common practices that people are using to reach their health and fitness goals, practices such as calorie counting, portion control, working out as hard as you can, as long as you can, as fast as you can, why they usually don't work. And on top of that, why they oftentimes take you even further away from your goals. I know that seems hard to believe. I know a statement like counting calories is keeping you fat might seem ridiculous, but think about this. Currently, our country is the most unhealthy it's ever been. That being the case, doesn't it make sense that we should be questioning the most commonly held beliefs, the most commonly held practices that we hold true? Doesn't it make sense that maybe we need to try something a little bit ridiculous? At True Health and Wellness, we provide outside-the-box solutions that empower you to achieve great results. Feel free to look through our website. We have a lot of great information here. You can find out more about who we are, what we do. You can see client success stories. And over here on the left, you can see some of the benefits that we provide for different goals that you may have. From all of us at True Health and Wellness, thanks for coming to visit us.